The king is supposed to be pious, in whose state and cities the general populace strictly observes the system of 8 social orders of varna and ashrama, and where all citizens engage in worshipping the Supreme Personality of Godhead by their particular occupations. The state's duty and the citizen's duty are very nicely explained in this verse. The activities of the government head, or king, as well as the activities of the citizens, should be so directed that ultimately everyone engages in devotional service to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The king, or government head, is supposed to be the representative of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and is therefore supposed to see that things go on nicely, and that the citizens are situated in the scientific social order comprised of 4 varnas and 4 ashramas. In the Vishnu Puran it is stated that unless people are educated or situated in the scientific social order comprised of 4 varnas, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra, and 4 ashramas, Brahmacharya, Krasta, Vanprastha and Sannyasa, society can never be considered real human society, nor can it make any advancement towards the ultimate goal of human life. It is the duty of the government to see that things go on in terms of varna and ashrama. As stated here in Bhagavan Yajna Purusha, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna, is the Yajna Purusha. As stated in Bhagavad Gita, Bhaktaram Yajna Tapasam, Krishna is the ultimate purpose of all sacrifice. He is also the enjoyer of all sacrifices, therefore he is known as Yajna Purusha. The word Yajna Purusha indicates Lord Vishnu or Lord Krishna, or any personality of Godhead in the category of Vishnu Tattva. In perfect human society, people are situated in the orders of varna and ashrama and are engaged in worshipping Lord Vishnu by their respective activities. Every citizen engaged in an occupation renders service by the resultant actions of his activities. That is the perfection of life. As stated in Bhagavad Gita, by worship of the Lord, who is the source of all beings and who is all-pervading, man can, in the performance of his own duty, attain perfection. Thus the Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Shudras and Vaishyas must execute their prescribed duties as these duties are stated in the Shastras. In this way, everyone can satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Vishnu. The king, or government head, has to see that the citizens are thus engaged. In other words, the state or the government must not deviate from its duty by declaring that the state is a secular one, which has no interest in whether or not the people advance in Varnashrama Dharma. Today, people engaged in government service and people who rule over the citizens have no respect for the Varnashrama Dharma. They complacently feel that the state is secular. In such a government, no one can be happy. The people must follow the Varnashrama Dharma, and the king must see that they are following it nicely.